This video shows you how to change the toner cartridges in a Samsung CLP-510 color printer. The first thing you will want to do is come over to this side of the printer where the paper typically comes out of the top. There is a lever here. You will pull this lever, and when you pull this lever, the door may not go all the way down to start with, but you do want to pull it so that it pops the cartridges. If you will notice, there are 4 color bars on the right side of the printer bay. At the top is the black, the yellow, the maran, and the cyan. In other words, your blue, red, yellow, and black. In order to take a printer cartridge out, you grab, there's a little black tab here. I don't know if you can make this out, but you grab this tab and it slides right out. That might be a better view there for you of the tab. When you get your new printer cartridge, shake it. I typically shake it both in this direction and side to side. And I usually do it in the bubble pack that it's already in, so there's no printer dust. I then take the printer cartridge after I've shaken it, and it slides right back into its tray position. Here is the yellow printer cartridge. Same thing here. Okay. Again, you want to, in 2 directions, shake your printer cartridge. And then insert it right back in place. Here is the red cartridge, and way at the bottom is the blue cartridge. When you put the cartridges back, raise the door slightly and push them firmly back into position. Close the door. And your printer will cycle just briefly for a minute or two to initiate all the printers cartridges. This completes the video on how to change the toner cartridge in your Samsung CLP-510 by 247inktoner.com.